Welcome to Mishna study Masechet Rosh Perek Bet Mishnah Chait. Over here is Mishnah. We're going to discuss diagrams of the moon that Rabban Gamliel had, by him. Imut Surot Levanot היו לו לרבן גמליאל בעלייתו על הטבלה בכותל. Right, so Rabban Gamliel, he had these images, right? The different, forms of the moon that he had on this tablet, right? That he hung up on the wall in his attic, and he would use this to show the people, right? Shebahen mar'eh et ha'idiotot. Right, he would use these to show the people, the regular layman, did you see the moon like this or like that? Right, he'd show them pictures. Two people came once. We saw in the morning time in the eastern hemisphere, and in the evening we saw it in the Ma'arav, in the west. Okay, now you see it in the west. Right, near sunset, that's where you see the moon in the evening time. That's when you're going to see it at night, right? Right by sunset, that's when you're going to see the new moon. But you're not going to see it that following morning. It's impossible, right? Because the moon itself actually fades, like it moves back approximately 50 minutes every day. It's impossible, right? So Amar Rabbi Yochanan ben Uri, they check at him. They have false witnesses. Impossible. When he came to Yavne, Rabban Gamliel accepted them. And why did Rabban Gamliel accept them? Did he not know this? No, Rabban Gamliel knew that it was impossible. But he said that, I'm going to take their testimony of what they saw at the night. And I don't know, maybe they saw something else in the morning, but it wasn't the moon. So I'm going to dismiss that part, but that has nothing to do with their testimony, what they saw at night. Another time, two people came. We saw it in its time, right? Meaning we saw it on the 30th, and then the 31st we didn't see it. Now, is that possible? Also, that's impossible, right? You can't see a moon and then it, fades back away, right? If it increases in size every day. Again, Rabban Gamliel accepted them. Not that Rabban Gamliel again believes that the moon could shrink on the second day of the month. No, you just realize that they saw it the first day. Maybe the second day clouds covered it or something, but it's not going to take away from their testimony of what they saw the new moon in its appropriate time. Amar Rabbi Dosab ben Hakinas, they check at him, right? Again, Rabbi Dosab over here, Rabbi Dosab ben Hakinas says, no, they're false witnesses. Right? How do you testify about a woman, right? We say, she gave birth, and the next day, her belly's between her teeth, right? Meaning she's still pregnant. No, she gave birth. She can't be pregnant the next day, right? So he's saying the same thing. How do you testify that you had we saw the new moon, and then tomorrow it's gone? It's impossible. Right? Yoshua comes and says, no, I actually I see the logic to your statement, but obviously Rabban Gamliel, right? Was not, foolish in this matter. He obviously knew what he was talking about. And to Rabban Gamliel's point, he accepted what they saw in its appropriate time and said, okay, maybe they just didn't see it. Something covered it. Maybe clouds covered it or whatnot. And that's not going to take away from their actual testimony of when they saw the new moon in its appropriate time.